Hello and welcome to our logic lesson of the day. We're going to get started right away. We'll do all our jobs, we'll do our cards, we'll do sound drill, we'll read some words, we'll spell some words, and then we'll be done. Let's get started with our cards. Remember, I will ask you the questions on the cards for the first couple, and then for the last few, I might just remind you of some of the things that are on the cards because we practiced those ones so many times. Check out your newest card, though. Think about all you know about what is on this card, and then we'll talk about it in a few minutes or a few seconds. So let's get going. What is this? Good, it's a letter. What's its name? Yep, that is the letter H. What sound do you make when you see the letter H? Yep, you make the sound. This should be an easy question. Is voiced or unvoiced? Yeah, this is an unvoiced sound. This is one of our windy sounds where we just use our breath. Is a consonant sound or a vowel sound? Good, it's a consonant. And let's remember too that you will never hear the sound at the end of a word. So we do have words that end with the letter H, but if you see H at the end of a word, it'll be a part of something different, making a different sound. We never hear at the end of a word. Good job. Check out your next newest card. What is this? Good, it's a letter. What's its name? R, very good job. This is R. What sound do you make when you see R? That's right, you say R. And remember, R is a voiced consonant sound. Let's keep it moving. Check out this. This is a letter, you know that. What's this letter's name? Good, it's D. What sound do you make when you see the letter D? Yep, you make the sound D. And remember, D is a voiced consonant sound. Check out this one. Remember, this is a letter. What's its name? Good, this is S. What sound do you make when you see S? Good, we make the sound S. And remember, S is an unvoiced consonant sound. And our last card looks like this. You know this is a letter. What's its name? Yep, this is O. What sound do you make when you see O? Aw. Good. And remember, aw is our short vowel sound for the letter O. Great job. Let's move on to sound drill. Remember, have your whiteboard marker and eraser ready so you can write each letter for the sound that I make. Remember, you only have to make one lowercase letter for each sound. Let's get started if you're ready. Show me the letter that makes the sound All right, let's check it out. Yep, that's our newest letter. It's H. Remember, H is the letter that has the unvoiced consonant sound. Okay, erase H. Show me the letter that says R. Hopefully you showed me the letter R. Good job. Erase your R. Show me the letter that says D. And hopefully you have the letter D for that voiced consonant sound. D. Erase. Show me the letter that says S. And you should have the letter S. And last but not least, show me the letter that says aw. Aw. You should have the letter O. Very good. All right, we're going to move on to reading some words. Okay, so remember when we read words, you want to be finger spelling each sound out loud. And then when you blend them all together, you want to catch them in your hand for me, please. So let's see how we do. We'll always check them together too. And for the first one, I'll do with you to get you going. So we're going to start right here with our newest letter. Put your thumb up and let's finger spell. Add, had. Here we have the word had. Our newest unvoiced consonant sound is here with the letter H. Short A sound, A in the middle. And the sound D is at the end, so we have the letter D. Had. Okay, I want you to try this one all by yourself. So put your thumb up and ready, set, go. Nice word, KB. This is the word hot. 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 Once again, we have our newest letter, that unvoiced consonant sound for H, short sound, aw, and then t at the end, hot. Let's keep it going. Ooh, in this one, we took hot and we just changed the vowel sound in the middle. Let's see what we get. Ready, set, go. Nice. Hopefully you finger spelled at hat. This is the word hat. Now we have a couple practice words here. Notice I put a capital letter at the beginning of this word because this is going to be a boy's name. And we always start people's names with a capital letter. It doesn't change the sound at all. It's just there because it's at the beginning of a name. So try this one out. See if you can get it. Go ahead. Okay, when I finger spell, I hear r-a-n, Ron. This is the name Ron. And our last practice word looks like this. You can do it all by yourself. Go ahead. And we've got the word rad. R-ad. Rad. Okay, our last job today is for you to spell some words for me on your board. Remember, when we do this, we're doing the same thing we do at school. You start with a good echo, you finger spell each sound, you still catch it in your hand, and then you write the word on your board. We will check every single word together. So if you make a mistake, that's okay as long as you fix it. Your first word today is the word hop. Hop. So say hop, finger spell, and write it. All right, let's check it out. When I say hop, I hear op, hop. I need to use H for that unvoiced sound, O for the short sound, ah, and P for the unvoiced sound, p at the end, hop. If you made a mistake, please fix it and then erase. Your last word of, or not last word, but your next word is also going to start with our newest sound. And it is the word hat. Say hat, and then finger spell and write it. Let's see how you did. Here we have the word hat. At, hat. Once again, I need to use H for that sound, A for the short sound, ah, and then T for t, hat, H-A-T. Fix any mistakes if you accidentally made one. Erase, and let's try one more word. This is just a practice word we've done before. Your last word is the word rod. Rod. Make sure you're finger spelling and writing the letter for each sound. Rod is r-od. Rod. We use R for the sound r, O for the sound aw, and D for d at the end. Rod. All right, KB, you did a great job practicing today, especially with our newest letter, H, and the sound, which is an unvoiced consonant sound. Remember, we never hear that sound at the end of a word, and we practice reading it in words and spelling it in words like hat and hop, and we'll keep practicing at school. You did a really, really nice job today. Keep up the good work.